Oh God, you're killing me. Oh. This is actually really hard. I don't know what like hard.
I'm looking at myself.
I keep forgetting to do it after like the people go away.
You just looked at yourself in the mirror.
Yeah, what?
Checking yourself out in the mirror, Greg.
Just look at my hair.
Ow!
Hey, do you guys want to play this when we get home?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright.
You can perfect it and then you can challenge us.
Were you just waiting for me to look at myself in the mirror?
What?
Nothing.
What? You're hanging out with me, Mom. I have to keep my hair.
Hey guys, you're taking yourself in the mirror.
I just need one more like 250.